In this world, many look frustrated because of locked smartphone and they are not known what is the correct password of the smartphone. So hey guys, if you have any smartphone which is locked and you can't and you cannot unlock your smartphone due to forgotten password lock, so in this video I am going to show you how can you remove your pin pattern password lock without any data loss, without any software, in just only 3 minutes. So watch this video properly till the end, only then you will be also able to unlock your smartphone. Let's start this video. First of all, my friends, you have to take some important steps on your smartphone. Just like this smartphone is locked due to forgotten password lock, and this is the Android phone. If you have any company's mobile, so don't worry at all. If you have Realme, Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus, Tecno, Xiaomi, Redmi, Samsung, Nokia, so this video is especially for you. Because of that, in this video, this mobile will unlock in just only 2 minutes. So let's start the process of mobile unlocking. This mobile is locked, so I am going to put airplane mode on this smartphone. Means I am going to activate the airplane mode on this smartphone. And if you have Samsung smartphone, you don't need to activate this. After that, you have to put your smartphone in switch off mode. So you have to press the power button and volume button and put your smartphone in power off mode. After a few seconds, your smartphone will switched off, and after a 3 seconds, you have to take a new and important step here. You have to click the power button and volume up button on the same time, and when you appear the logo, you have to release the power button but not volume up button, and hold for a few seconds until a new page comes on your mobile screen. So you can see that, my friends, the airplane mode the recovery mode on your smartphone has been comes like that, and you have to choose the language of your understanding. So I know very well English, so I am going to click this, and after that you can see that this is the recovery page option, and there are total 3 options. First is format data, the second is reboot device, and the third one is power off. So you have to select the format data and open this, and you can see that please enter verification code 0211. But wait, you have to use this code, but not this way. You have to use this code in opposite way. Means the code is started from 0211, but you have to use this code from last 1120 for 5 times. So enter this code on your smartphone for 5 times. 011 sorry not 0 1120 first time, and you have to repeat the same process for 4 times again, means totally 5 times. 1120 1120 1120, and lastly 1120, and you can see that they are showing please retry in 26 seconds. So in this time you have to click the back button here and click on the reboot device and wait for a new page, means mobile resetting option. And this is the main important step here. So don't select the skip button. Because of that, if you select the skip, you can't learn from this video. So wait for and watch properly this video until your smartphone unlocked. So in this time you can like this video, share this video, subscribe our channel, and wait. And you can see that, my friends, congratulations all of you. Because of that, this smartphone is unlocked. There is no any data loss of in this smartphone, and I am not using software as you see here. So if you are not able to unlock your smartphone, click the subscribe button and our join button, so that our team will contact you in just only 5 minutes. So that you will be also able to unlock your smartphone. So thanks for watching, stay tuned and keep watching.